In today's video, I will walk you through how to use nested if function in Microsoft Excel and Google Sheets. Start by arranging your data with student names in one column, scores in another, and a grade column where the results will appear. For this example, use the following grading scale. 90 to 100 is an A, 80 to 89 is a B, 70 to 79 is a C, 60 to 69 is a D, and anything below 60 is an F. In the first cell of the grade column, enter a nested if formula that checks whether the score in B2 is 90 or higher for an A, 80 or higher for a B, 70 or higher for a C, 60 or higher for a D, and returns an F if none of those conditions are met. Press Enter to apply the formula. A grade should appear for the first student. Next, select the cell with the formula and move your cursor to the small square in the bottom right corner. Click and drag the fill handle down the column to copy the formula to the remaining rows. The grades will automatically update based on each student's score. If the results don't look correct, double-check the score ranges and comparison symbols in your formula. And that's how to use the nested if function in Microsoft Excel and Google Sheets. Thank you for watching the video.